you.
We've just reached the 4-hour and 47-minute mark in today's spacewalk, which officially marks the 1,000th hour spent out in the vacuum of space, building and maintaining the International Space Station. It's often been called one of the greatest engineering achievements of mankind, and when its assembly was just beginning, it was known that it would take more spacewalks than anything we'd done before, and it certainly has. Total U.S. time spent spacewalking for other programs and projects is 528 hours and 46 minutes. And again, we've just surpassed the 1,000th hour spent spacewalking to build the International Space Station. Today's is the 159th International Space Station spacewalk, and the last that will be conducted by a space shuttle crew.
5 degrees. Pitch forward at 5 degrees, starting motion.